And we have some news just coming in at this point in time. Punjab pro-Khalistan sticker shocker. Pro-Khalistan posters possibly put on Himachal buses. BJP slams the Punjab and the Himachal government in action. Former Chief Minister says why free run for pro-K groups on camera. Pro-K thugs intimidate commuters. Straight across to Kamaljeet for more details on that story at this point in time. Kamal, give us an idea about what really has happened here.
Well, this began after a few bikers who were going towards Kullu Manali side. That is when they were stopped in by certain locals, especially one of the bikers who had a Bhinderwala sticker. And after which there was a confrontation, but then there was an escalation soon after, because what we saw was retaliation in Hoshiarpur. The buses coming all the way from Himachal Pradesh were stuck with stickers of Bhinderwala and in support of the slain Khalistani leader. What happened thereafter is that the entire matter was taken up in the Himachal Pradesh ongoing budget session, where Jairam Thakur has said that there seems to be a lot of scare as far as these people are concerned.
Ask you to be with us. Just coming back to you in a moment from now. We also have a reaction coming in. Let's take a listen first.
पहली बात तो ये है कि इस घटना की हम निंदा करते हैं और निंदा करने के साथ साथ में जो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने अपने स्टेटमेंट के माध्यम से इस माननीय सदन को जानकारी दी है, और उस जानकारी के अनुसार जो है वो अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की प्रोसेस अभी तक चली है और पुलिस कार्रवाई के लिए आगे बढ़ रही है। लेकिन जब तक इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन की सारी प्रोसेस कंप्लीट नहीं होती तब तक के लिए राजनीतिक बयानबाजी जो पूर्व विधायक महोदय जी कर रहे हैं, मैं समझता हूं वो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। और राजनीतिक लोगों को इस प्रकार से नाम लेना, मैं समझता हूं ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। ये हिमाचल की ना संस्कृति है, ये ना संस्कार है, ना कि यहाँ इस तरह की उम्मीद की जा सकती।
All right, I'm going to go back to Kamal, getting in more details on that story. Of course, the opposition talking about the failure of the government here, with the BJP criticizing the Punjab Himachal government for their failure at this point in time, saying that you allowed this, you encouraged this all this while. Kamal.
Well, what he's talking about is another incident. There's a separate bite of his where he's actually specifically speaking about the Khalistani stickers being put on the HPRTC buses. What is also significant is that Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, who's the Chief Minister, has addressed the issue. He said he will be speaking to his counterpart in Punjab, which is Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, and talking about the issue, saying this is actually not a big deal, but he will try and sort this out. Meanwhile, the opposition, including Jairam Thakur, are up in arms about this particular flare-up which has taken place. And remember, this is a series of flare-ups which have taken place, especially as far as the Sikh commuters are concerned, them going towards religious places in Himachal Pradesh. But it actually began with a very small incident which has now turned into a bigger one. And remember, a threat coming in, especially from certain small segments who are threatening to put in posters of sorts. And these are buses which are coming in from Himachal Pradesh being targeted at this point of time. So they are carrying passengers from Himachal Pradesh, and many see that this is perhaps a trigger of sorts. This can totally be avoided, whether it is by the people or the government itself. Many, especially the Akali Dal leaders we've been speaking to, said, this is being made into a big issue. It's a non-issue of sorts. But today, once the posters have been put up, this obviously seems that there is an escalation in situation where certain groups are actually now threatening, not only by putting posters of the Khalistani leader, but also saying that this will be a done deal of sorts, that all of them will try and put these stickers, because the Himachal Pradesh people have objected to such stickers, especially being brought in by vehicles. And many would suggest that there are only one or two such people who have come in with these stickers, that this sort of escalation should not have taken place. But remember, this is a controversy which is now brewing, with this entire matter being taken up in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly.
Kamal, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Kamaljeet Sandhu getting us up to speed with those details as far as that new controversy is concerned.